welcome to Joe Duffy BMW here in Charlestown. My name is Chloe and today we have a beautiful BMW iX finished in the metallic dune grey. This is a 2026 fully electric automatic transmission. I'll be going through some exterior and interior features. Now if we come along here to the side, we have our 22-inch alloy wheels with our red brake calipers. This is an M Sport, so it would match the badge. Here we have our iconic BMW kidney grills. We have our Shadowline edition of our adaptive LED headlights. Coming now to the side, we have gloss black trims along the windows. Now coming to the back, we have automatic opening and closing boot functionality. See here. Now, as you can see, we have plenty of compartment space here and underneath for charging cables and whatnot. Press this button here and it automatically shuts. Coming now to the rear passenger door, we have rear privacy windows. Now taking a look at the interior, we have a combination of leatherette and suede. The leatherette in a matte black finish and the suede in a more grey finish. Here we have our ISOFIX child seating support systems as standard. Taking a seat here, we have plenty of legroom space. We have some climate controls here. And here we have USB-C ports for charging at the back of the seats. There and there. And we have extra compartment on the sides of the doors. Further looking at the interior, we have our M Sport bucket seats with our M Sport stitching on the seat. In the driver's seat now, it is push start and foot on the brake to turn on the engine. As you can see, here is our instrument cluster. On the left here, we have our home settings. Here we have media where we can connect to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Here is our navigation, some telecommunication, and here if we stick it into reverse, as you can see, we have a rear view of the camera and it's a panorama view. We have ultrasonic sound sensors as well with a visual aid. We have parking assist as well. From here you can configure the dual front climate control zone. Here we can have heated seats and heated steering wheel as well. As you can see, below we have more suede interior with the M Sport print. Here we have more climate controls. And now moving down, we have cup holder, we have a slot for a phone. Here is our gear and transmission. From here you can easily navigate the different menus using the spin dial. From here you can put on parking assist. You can explore the different modes. You see here, press it. And here on the screen we have personal, sport, efficient, expressive, and the list goes on. Now underneath we have wireless charging for our phone. And we have extra compartment space in the center. Now moving on to our steering wheel, we have cruise controls on the left and we have media controls on the right. On the sides of the doors here, as you can see, we can control our seats accessibly and you can put it on a setting that saves for you on under 1 and 2. This car comes with upgraded sound systems of Harman and Kardon. Above the steering wheel we have a head-up display that would give you some information that is very handy on the go. Inside the doors we also have electronic opening and closing windows as well as electronic folding mirrors. Underneath you can easily open and close the back boot. Now if it wasn't obvious already, this car does come with comfort access, which makes coming in and out of the car very accessible. This stunning BMW iX is available for purchase on Joe Duffy BMW and across various other car selling websites. If you'd like to book a test drive, an appointment, have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to contact us here at Joe Duffy BMW. Thank you. Bye.